Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are doing NEEDOH Tower. So let's get started. So I don't know why it's red right now, but it was blue like a regular NEEDOH. Comment down below what your favorite NEEDOH is. Mine's the Ice Cube. I like Ice Cube NEEDOHs. They're really cool. There's these gumdrops. Oh, the cracking butter. I love that. I don't know what that is. Oh, the yellow stage. There's pop. Y'all. Wait, what the heck? No. That's not fair, bro. I fell. Oh, my game's lagging so bad. I died. I decided to die. Oh, yay! Wait, actually good. It's good that I died. It just makes you slow. Wait, I'm gonna respawn. And it's gonna I'm inside the NEEDOH. It's gonna put me back to my original stage. Okay, guys, sorry about all the lags. My god, it's... Oh, why does it have to be so slow? Oh my god, I'm gonna die again. Because I don't feel like doing everything again. So I might be stuck here for a little bit. What? Anyways, that Amabu girl you saw was my sister. She cannot be talking right now though because too young to be in videos. I jumped. I look. You can see my handprint clicks. That I jumped. No, wait, no. What am I doing? It's funny. You can literally see my hand, when I click the jump button. Yo, what is this? What is this? This is what helps you go up. I'm sick of respawning. Jump. 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 Okay, good. We did it. And of course, we have to fall. Bro, someone just fell right into NEEDOHs. Oh, we have to land on the NEEDOHs. Oh, these NEEDOHs are actually kind of cute. Okay, I actually kind of like these NEEDOHs. I don't know what those circle ones are. But, yeah. Oh, this kills me. No. This is wax. Yo, what are you doing inside the cheese NEEDOH? Or whatever this is. Dunk, 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 dunk. Wait, those are the changing color NEEDOHs. Hold on. Yo, wait, that was cool. My favorites. I love these NEEDOHs. I love these NEEDOHs. You have some neat toes. I don't want to guess. So I'm just gonna skip a stage. Oh gosh, no. Boing, boing. I made that. Are these supposed to be butter NEEDOHs? Oh, dumplings! Gold dumplings, guys. What's your favorite dumpling? Everyone wants glitter, but I just want a dumpling. Maybe if you get enough likes, I'll ask my parents for a dumpling for Christmas. Or maybe I'll buy a dumpling. Green stage. We're almost onto the blue. Oh, this looks like ice. Oh my god. But you know those like ice creams with that hard layer on top? That's kind of what those look like. Like, look at the crack. And like you take a bite. That's what they kind of look like. Oh my god, I want to get on these. Looks so cute. Maybe like this might be my favorite needle. I've never felt it. What are you doing out there? Oh, I love the cracking. On my favorite needle? Poppets. Okay. I'm my favorite color, blue, and dumpling kind. Oh my god, no. No, I fell. Gotta respawn. So I can go back to my page. No, I'm not buying stairs. Boom. Oh, I can't make the cracking sound, but it's. No! How am I doing this? Yo, what? Yo, what the heck? Oh. Honestly, we're just gonna do this again because I like this. Whoa. I'm gonna restart this. Ice cream needles! Yo, wait. Yo, wait. This is it. Ew, sounds like I'm like walking. I love this too much. Neato. Blue glitter dumplings. I don't know if that's a thing. Is a blue glitter dumpling a thing? Purple stage. The butter. Wait, are donuts dump? Is donuts a Neato? I know these are Neato. I tried to. Okay, really. Hold on. I love the crunching sounds of everything. It sounds so nice. I know that. Yeah, I know that these cakes are Neatos. I'm going so much you're like even. I have to trust in the Neatos, I guess. That saved me. Pop it. Spinning Neato. Touching the Neato. I don't. Oh my god, man. What the heck? Oh, World 3? We're going into Neato Tower. World 3. Good. Yo. Sorry, it's just a little laggy, but oh, it's holding up so much. Alright, guys, I think that's gonna be all for today because we can just do like another this hour, like another time. Got a sneak peek of what's going on behind that wall. Ooh, hold on, but they have the whatever this NEEDOH's called. I love that sound. But hold on, we need to try this wax out. So never mind, we're gonna keep going just for a little bit. Oh, okay, we're not. But anyway, guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. And I will see you guys again next time.